Hi everybody. I want to show you how you can find an article in CREDO once you have decided on the debatable topic for your Unit 1 English 102 project. So you have now found the debatable topic that you found in SERVS. Now you want to find an article in CREDO, which is a database that gives a lot of background knowledge and reference type knowledge on various topics. To find CREDO, you're going to start on the MyDTCC homepage, go over to the Student Success Toolbox, under Library, choose CREDO Reference. Up here in the search box, you're going to put the topic. Try to avoid writing a question or a full sentence. Try to look at the basic search terms. So this one might be antibiotic resistance. We'll try something general like this rather than antibiotic resistance in farm animals and farm animals. We'll just start with antibiotic resistance. And you'll see quite a few articles that are dealing with this particular topic. You're going to need to look through them to find ones that are suitable for what you are trying to find. So we want to focus on our research question, which is whether farms should be banned from using antibiotics for their animals. So one place you might want to look is here we have a veterinary dictionary. So we could look at that one and we'll get some information that's pertinent to the farm industry. Not particularly long, but probably would be okay. It is a little short, so maybe we'll look at some other items. This one here, evolution of antibiotic resistance, is quite a bit more comprehensive and does give a really thorough background for this issue. It doesn't deal exclusively with the animal industry, farm industry, but it does mention that as part of the issue. So this article really would give you a nice, thorough overview of this issue. So that one looks like it would work as well. Some of these others possibly could work, but again, you must make sure that it's relevant to your research question, which is, in this example, should farms be banned from using antibiotics to prevent the antibiotic resistance that's happening? So not every article that's listed here in CREDO is going to be relevant to what you are trying to do. Once you find your article, I do want to show you that up here at the top is the citation, and you can get it for APA. It generally is pretty good. It's not perfect, but at least you could start with this, and then you could tweak it as you need to, since for some reason it's not exactly perfect. But just wanted to show you where that is. All right, good luck finding your article from CREDO.